how to change email on Prizepicks. Here on the official website, you will see that for security reasons, you will not be able to change your email address once you have connected it to your Prizepicks account. However, they can make an exception for members who used a work or school email and no longer have access. So if you realize you'd like to use a different email address before you confirm your email and connect it to your Prizepicks account, you will be able to adjust this setting. Just navigate to the drop-down menu found in the top left corner of your mobile app, so it should be on the top left, or the top right if you're using the browser app, so it's going to be this one. Then select the tab that says Settings, found all the way at the bottom of the menu, and type the email address you want to use into the email field and hit Save Settings. An email containing a one-time password code will be sent to the email address originally associated with your Prizepicks account. Copy and paste the OTP code into the field provided in your Prizepicks app and click Confirm. All future correspondence will be sent to the new email address, and that's how you change your email on Prizepicks. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.